Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. Today we got 2004 Toyota Corolla and we are changing starter on this car. So to change the starter, first we have to remove the battery terminals. So after removing terminals, you have two options. Either you can remove the radiator first and then you can access the starter, or you can lift your car and get the starter from the downside. So in this case we are removing this radiator. We have two screws over there. One is here, as you can see. It's here. It's a 10 mm screw over there, and one is over there. So that's one screw over there, 10 mm, and there is one screw over there. You can see these are 10 mm both. So after removing from here 10 mm screws, you have to just unplug that hose. Right, it's done. You can just pull it out, and we have to unplug the radiator switch, and then you can pull it out directly. Make sure you grip it firmly because it's heavy and there is some coolant in it. So make sure you put it out, you take it out and put it straight. Now we have access to our starter. That's our starter, as you guys can see, and we have three bolts to unscrew. One is here, you have to just remove that rubber. One is here and one is on the back side, here down there. That one and that one you have to remove. So guys, we already take it out. So one screw, you have to open this one, you can see, right? Oh, yeah, that one. One is behind this. Let me try to show you. It's behind the wire. It's behind this wire. Here you go. This one is 14 mm and one is over there. That one is also 14 mm, and on starter it was 12 mm. So there you go. We already take it out our old. So see the condition, and we are replacing it with the new one. So let's put it back. So once you put it back, just tighten everything. Put one screw over there, just plug it back. We have one screw over there and one on the other side, so just tighten them. So once we are done tightening the screw, we're gonna put our radiator back. So when you're putting back your radiator, make sure it sits properly in the locks, and we can plug that in. And we have two 10mm screw over there. We're gonna tighten them, and we're gonna put our radiator plug over there, which we removed earlier. So once you are done with these bolts, you can plug the battery again with 10 mm, and that's how you can change your starter. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.